Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chayan from quickpreview.in and let me show you the course Tagzmania. So inside Tagzmania you will be looking this kind of stuffs, and this is the members area of the tool. This is the main members area of the tool. After purchasing the tool you have to log in, then you can see this members area. Inside this course you will be given the detailed knowledge of hashtags, how you can use the hashtags properly, how you can rank inside social medias, and most of the sales are coming nowadays from social media like Facebook, like YouTube, like Instagram, and all of the social media platforms are using hashtags, are allowing hashtags these days. So you can get money, you can make money, you can earn a huge money from hashtag, using hashtags to rank your content, and using hashtags you can rank your content and you can earn money. So that is the course. You can get the overview by seeing the knowledge, watching the titles here. Introduction, sorry for the noise, it is work is happening in my house. So introduction to the training, what is hashtag, the history of hashtag, the hashtag basics, why to use hashtag tips, 6 way to find hashtag, module 1 conclusion, how to use the resources. And truly speaking, I have not gone through any of the videos. I have gone through the welcome video, the overview video, and after that I have not gone through any of them. As I have told you, the work is happening inside my house, some repairing work is happening inside my house. That is why I have not gone through the course. I can't tell you whether this tool is very much good or not. You have to assume, or you should have the prediction by watching the minutes of the courses. Like Instagram hashtag, it is a 11 minutes video, so I think it is a detailed video. And inside LinkedIn it is a 8 minutes and 35 seconds video, so I think also it is a detailed video. So apart from that, I can't say you whether this tool is okay or not. I am not sure about that. If you are okay to earn from hashtag, if you want to do that, if you want to get the knowledge of hashtag, you should try this. Okay, this tool is only $13 and there are some bonuses, some upgrades, and some pretty usual stuffs, some bonuses. Okay, so this page will give you the tool and the bonuses. You can click any of the buttons on this page, you will be sent to this exact sales page, and from the sales page get the tool, get the bonuses automatically. So this tool costs $13 and 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee is available, and it is the least price. And inside the launch period you may have some coupon codes from the vendor. They sometimes allow to use the coupon codes. They sometimes give it inside the sales page. Sometimes it appears like pop-ups, using pop-ups, or sometimes it just been displayed here inside the above section of the sales page. Okay, so you can use the coupon code, and apart from that I want to say you the bonuses are waiting for you. These bonuses will be given to you inside the front end with the $13 product, and you have to go through the $13 product or front end to access the upsells. Inside upsells you will be given the mega bonus, 400 plus bonuses, and that's all I want to say. I don't want to waste your time. And some vendor bonuses, 5 vendor bonuses are there waiting for you, that comes by default with this product. So that's all I want to say. So that is Tagzmania, and have a good day. Thank you, you have given your time, and bye bye.